हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। वी विल टेक वन शॉर्ट रिवीजन of chapter number 5, separation of substances. Separation removes the harmful or non-useful substances from the mixture. We will now discuss methods of separation. First, handpicking. This method is used for separating large-sized impurities like stone, husk from the wheat, rice or pulses. Threshing. The process that is used to separate grains from stalks is known as threshing. Winnowing. It is used to separate heavier and lighter components of a mixture by wind. This method is used by farmers to separate husk from grains. Sieving. This method is used when components of a mixture are different in size. For example, removing bran from wheat flour using a sieve. Next, filtration. For example, separating tea leaves with the help of a strainer. Other examples are fruit juice is filtered before drinking to separate seeds and the pulp. Next example is preparation of paneer at home. This method is used when one component is liquid, that is tea and juice, and the other component is insoluble, solid, like tea leaves, seeds, pulp, paneer. Evaporation. The process of conversion of water into vapors is called evaporation. For example, obtaining salt from seawater. Condensation. It is a process of conversion of water vapors in the liquid form. Sedimentation, decantation. Rice and pulses before cooking are washed. The dust comes in the water. Rice sets at bottom. When the heavier component in a mixture settles after adding water, the process is called sedimentation. When water along with dust is removed without disturbing the sediment, the process is called decantation. Saturated solution. The solution in which no more substance, for example sugar or salt, can be dissolved. On heating, solubility increases. Now we will discuss NCERT solutions. Question number first. Why do we need to separate different components of a mixture? Give two examples. Separation helps us to remove non-useful substances. Second, separation helps to make a substance pure. Examples: husk from grains, tea leaves from tea. Question number 2. What is winnowing? Where is it used? मैं आपको अभी करा चुकी हूँ विनोविंग के बारे में. It is used to separate heavier and the lighter components of a mixture by wind, and this method is used by farmers to separate husk from grains. Now question number 3. How will you separate husk or dust particles from a given sample of pulses before cooking? Dust or the husk particles from the pulses can be removed by washing it with water before cooking. Next, what is sieving? Where is it used? In this method, bigger particles are removed by the help of a sieve. For example, bran from wheat flour. It is used, sieving method is used as construction sites to separate stones from sand. How will you separate sand and water from their mixture? Separation of sand and water from their mixture can be done by sedimentation and decantation. Allow the mixture to stand for some time. Sand is heavy, so settles down. The process is known as sedimentation. Now, water is removed without disturbing the sediment, that is the sand. The process is called decantation. आप फिगर देख सकते हैं. Mixture of sand and water, it is kept for some time. water comes up, sand sets at the bottom, and after a while we will take a second glass and we will remove the water from the sand. Now question number 6. Is it possible to separate sugar mixed with wheat flour? If yes, how will you do it? Sugar particles are large in size as compared to that of wheat flour, so can be separated by sieving. आप फिगर देख सकते हैं, हमारे पास मिक्सचर है शुगर और व्हीट फ्लोर का. हम इसके लिए एक सीव लेंगे. इसको हम जब हिलाएंगे तो शुगर ऊपर रह जाएगी क्योंकि इसके पार्टिकल्स बड़े होते हैं और व्हीट इसमें से नीचे निकल जाएगा. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 7. हाउ वुड यू ऑब्टेन क्लियर वाटर फ्रॉम ए सैंपल ऑफ मडी वाटर? वी कैन गेट clear water from a sample of muddy water by filtration using a filter paper. Filter paper has small pores in it. When muddy water is poured on filter paper, the mud remains on the filter paper. ये आप फिगर देख सकते हैं. ये आपकी फ़िल्टर पेपर के अंदर से मडी वाटर को डाल रखा है, तो जो इसके अंदर मड है वो फ़िल्टर पेपर के ऊपर डिपॉजिट हो जाएगा और नीचे हमें बीकर के अंदर क्लियर वाटर मिल जाएगा. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 8. फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स. द मेथड ऑफ सेपरेटिंग सीड्स ऑफ द पैडी फ्रॉम इट्स स्टॉक्स इज कॉल्ड थ्रैशिंग. B. When milk cooled after boiling is poured onto a piece of cloth, the cream is left behind on it. The process of separating cream from milk is an example of filtration. C. Salt is obtained from the sea water by evaporation. D. Impurities settle at the bottom. When muddy water was kept overnight in a bucket, clear water then was poured off from the top. The process of separation used in this technique example is decantation. Now question number 9. True or false? A mixture of milk and water can be separated by filtration. False. B. A mixture of powdered salt and sugar can be separated by the process of winnowing. False. C. Separation of sugar from tea can be done with filtration. False. D. Grain and husk can be separated with the process of decantation. False. Now question number 10. Lemonade is prepared by mixing lemon juice and sugar in water. You wish to add ice to cool it. Should you add ice to the lemonade before or after dissolving sugar? In which case would it be possible to dissolve more sugar? We should add ice after dissolving sugar to lemonade, because when temperature is high, more sugar can be dissolved. After mixing ice, it gets cool and less sugar will dissolve. Okay, bye bye बच्चों.